Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-04009 error in Oracle Database 12c. So I have logged into the SQL Facilitator as a common user called c#card. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute all the SQL queries. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am going to alter one sequence called M2 sequence max value. So here I am getting the error ORA-04009 max value cannot be made to be less than the current value. So what I am doing, I am going to SQL developer login as a sysdba. I am logged as a sysdba and executing the query. Select star from db underscore sequences where sequence name equal to M2 sequence. Okay, so here you can see that min value, max value, current value, everything will be stored here. Okay, so here you can see that max value is already 150. Okay, and current value is 104. Okay, so current value is more than the max value which I have altered here. Okay, so now I am correcting the query, alter sequence M2 sequence max value to 200. Okay, now you can see that sequence is created successfully.